Good afternoon and welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we are working on the 2005 Nissan 350z. This has the DE engine and it is an automatic. Neither one of those a drawback in my opinion. There's a lot of opinions online. I know, I've read your opinions. For me, this is totally fine. We've got a lot of projects to do on this car. We've got a lot of stuff going on. Today is a simple project, I hope. We're gonna find out right now. All we gotta do is the left indicator light, the left blinker is not blinking. I'm assuming it's a dead bulb. I don't know that, but we're gonna find out. So if you got one that's not blinking and you need to replace it, this is gonna be a quick how-to video. Remember, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not certified, I'm not a professional, I have no education in the vehicular world, I'm not anything special, I'm just a guy that works on my vehicles, and I film it so that, you know, if you're in the same kind of boat I am, car, boat, whatever, if you're in the same situation as I am, you have a bad blinker, you can kind of see how I change it. Doesn't mean it's the right way to change it, doesn't mean it's gonna work, but this is how I'm going to do it. Let's do it. Step number one is you gotta pop the trunk. Boop. Easy peasy. Not so hard yet, huh? Next step, you have 1, 2, 3 bolts holding your tail lamp in. I'm guessing this is how it comes off. You're gonna need a small screwdriver and a 10mm socket of some sorts. Don't ask me the technical specs on this screwdriver because I don't know. It's just small enough to fit. And those came out super easy, barely clacked in. It's because that one's broken and this one's broken too. What do you know? All right. You are then going to pop this off somehow. Not really sure how it's going to come, but it's got to come. There we go. So I'm going to grab with my fingernails, pull up, pull down. Ah! All right, so we just popped that out. Not really sure. Oh shoot, I just broke it. Okay, so it looks like this should have come out that way. And then there's this little grommet right here as well. And I think that looks like that was it for grommets. Yes. All right, so there's no indicator light in this housing, so we're just gonna move this up to the side. Right there. All right, so then you're just gonna reach. All right, we're gonna put this away before we break it. Let's see. Either unplug these or twist them and pull them out. We're gonna twist and pull. Okay. Okay, so there's no way for me to get that on camera, so we're just gonna do it this way. I'm gonna pull it once you get the socket up here. Oh, there we go. Hopefully we didn't just rip something up. That's your bulb, and you're just gonna wiggle it out and pull like so. And there you go. All right, so we are using these Long Life Sylvania 7440A bulbs. Hopefully they do as well. Let's see here. Hopefully. Whatever. Put this in. All right, now we're gonna test it just to make sure it works before we get all excited here. Oh. Definitely works. All right, so now, and I understand it's super hard to see, I apologize. But essentially, just take that socket, stick it back in the hole, and twist it into place, just like so. So take our headlamp assembly, same thing. Stick this bulb in and twist it into place, which is there, quarter turn. Same with your little teeny weeny bulb here. There we go. Twist it into place. Now, take our headlamp assembly. And I broke one of the clips, but the other one can latch into place. And then we'll just grab our 3 bolts. All right guys, easy as that to replace your rear indicator light, AKA rear blinker light. Of course, if you're one of those weirdos that doesn't use the blinker, that's not something that'll pertain to you or matter to you. However, if you are one of those people that uses the blinker, thank you for your patriotism, thank you for your courtesy, thank you for being a decent human being. Now, those of us that actually do that will have to suffer. We'll have to replace the lights every once in a while, but it's worth it to be that human being that is gracious and courteous. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you are one of those people, which is, you know, why your bulb is dead. If you're not one of those people, then you don't even have, your bulb still brand new, like new condition. So thank you. Now, if you liked what you saw, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. I've got all kinds of different playlists and different vehicles and projects around the house. I'm going to be putting together a playlist for this. I've only got a couple videos. There's going to be many more coming. Trust me, I've got a lot of plans for this car. So, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.